Built for the game, made for the moment. Browser and search for FlexClip.com. When you search for FlexClip.com, you are going to see a lot of models right here, a lot of templates. You can see the templates. You can see for the creating video parts, you see the video part, you see the image part, you see the audio. You can create AI voice cloning, AI video to SFX, and so on and so forth. Now, if you look at the video part, you can compress a video here, you can convert your video, you can also merge your video here and do a lot of things. And for the photo and video editing, you can edit your video here, you can do screen recording here, you can create social media posts and everything right here. And also you can learn right from this tool, from this website. They have their tutorial section where you learn how to use this platform, from everything, from the video generation to the ads creating and everything. You are going to learn it from their YouTube channel right there. You are going to get it when you open. You don't need to sign up. Once you just enter, you are going to see everything. If you want to learn how to make use of this, how to create better and quality videos, right? Now let's check out the models. And now I'm already in the YouTube, so you can see these are all their tutorials, step by step, how to create cinematic videos easily. That is their guide for beginners. Whether you're a beginner, whether you just need a guide on anything, just fall back to their YouTube channel. You are going to see everything right there. Now in this video, I'm going to show us step by step how to customize the one of these. So now, as you can see, there is a lot of things, whether you are doing AI logo animation, maybe probably for your video or for anything. So I'm going to open one and see how it works. Let's try it out and see if it's going to work, just like you watched from the beginning, like the first video I first played for you, right? Now that is how it is. So now let's go back again and still go and open. Let's try and open another one and see. But before that, we need to sign in first. So try and sign up with your Gmail. Sign up with your Gmail first to explore this tool, right? So after signing up, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this AI Create and create the and customize it. So you can see anything you are seeing right here. Once you upload your logo, you upload your name, everything, it's going to appear immediately exactly as you are seeing it right here. So let me come over and select another one. Let's look for another one. This is for ads, maybe for business, for anything. And then the one below, you can see there are a lot. This one is for slideshow. Maybe you're having wedding events or whatever events, everything. They are all right here. Whether you are doing AI product ads, for cream, for anything, you can do everything right here. So now I'm going to try this out. Let's try this for my logo, that is for David Creative Lab logo. Now I'm going to upload my logo and click on generate. And once I click on generate, it's going to generate the logo for me in form of this, the way you see this flex clip, right? So now let's try it out. You can also type out your name, or if you have a branded this thing for your name, you can also come and upload it right there. But I'll just make mine simple. Let's just upload the the logo. After uploading the logo, the next thing I'm going to come over and click on is to click on generate. Now after clicking on generate, you are going to hold on for some minutes for it to generate your video for you. Now let's try this product out, this product ads. I want to just use let's just use a picture. This is a tutorial, so you can use your own particular product if you have any, right? So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come over and upload the image of my product, right? As you can see right here. So let me just look for any product right here, and don't forget this is cream product, so you have to look for a cream product. But because of a tutorial sake, let me just use this water bottle. So I'll just add my logo name, that is the brand name, which is David Creative Lab water. So you can see everything is going to arrange everything. As you can see, this is the outcome, and the outcome comes out real. So you see why I said you need to upload your cream, and then so for it to bring out exactly what you want. Now, as you can see, that is how it works. And this is the second one. This is the second part for the logo. You see how it's come out clearly and beautiful. So it is very simple and very easy. It's just a template that you can make use of. If you don't want to make use of the template, you can go and create your own yourself from scratch. That is, just go to the create section and you create your video for yourself. Just give it the description, give it the prompt of what you want it to do, how you want it to be, be, how you want it to be presented, and it's going to give you exactly what you want. Be it technology, you're trying to advertise an app or anything, be it a movie trailer, be it a social media post, a trailer, or anything, whether you're into real estate business, everything, you find all the templates right here. So that is how to do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.